While we wait for Samsung's next batch of foldable phones, new reports give us a look at what the company has planned for the Galaxy S25 series, including changes to the design and the chance of a Mediatech chip in the next couple of generations. The Ultra Galaxy S flagship from Samsung has taken on the look of the Galaxy Note, which has led to big changes in the design, including the Note's famous squared-off look. The Galaxy S25 Ultra may go back to this look, though. Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will no longer have corners that are squared off. Instead, it will have a more rounded shape like the famous Galaxy Note 7 from 2016. That also means the screen might not be flat anymore, which is something Samsung only started doing with the most recent iPhones. There are also other theories going around about what will be inside the Galaxy S25 series. The cost of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 has made Samsung think about using Mediatek chips in some versions of the Galaxy S25, according to Financial News. It's not likely that this will have an effect on the Ultra model, but it's interesting to know because Mediatek chips have never been used in Samsung top phones. There are also rumors that the Galaxy Tab S10 will use a Mediatek chip in some way. How about the Exynos? It was said before that the Exynos 2500 would play a part, but this new report says that problems with chip yield may mean that Samsung can't count on it. Fans of the S Pen will be happy to know that Samsung isn't giving up on the stylus. The S25 Ultra will still support the S Pen and likely have a housing spot. Ice Universe also says that the S25 Ultra, which will be 8.4mm thick, 0.2mm thinner than the S24 Ultra, will be the smallest S Ultra phone ever. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.